Hello there, this is Ujjwal and welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing my design team kit from the Crafters Workshop. I'm so excited to be joining this beautiful product company. They make stencils and mixed media mediums, and it was so lovely to receive this little letter of appreciation right on top of the box. And then this is the catalog for their new summer release. These are all the stencils that they have. Beautiful designs, very versatile. And then the new ones, these are the bigger 16.5 inch by 6 inch stencils, and they are called the rustic sign stencils, and I think they would be really great for home decor and gifts. And of course they also have these fabulous mediums. Now there are just so many beautiful goodies in that box, and I can't wait to show you everything. So let's get started. First up are these stencils, and you can see that it's a big bunch of stencils, just a lot of stencils there. And I have both the 6 by 6 inches as well as the 12 by 12 inches, all the designs in both the sizes. So I'm going to quickly flip through all of these beautiful designs here, and you will find all of these listed in the description box below as well, in case you want to check them out. And there is all sorts of beautiful patterns, and then some beautiful art designs, floral patterns. There are leaves, there are birds, there are some fun ones. You can see the dots, the leaves, and then these are really artistic and beautiful stencils here. So many great ideas are running through my mind right now. They will be absolutely fabulous for mixed media, and this is a unique one. It's like it's called blueprint, I think, and it's like a blueprint of a house. And then this is a tree. It's one of my favorites. And then we have these magnolia flowers, beautiful. And then there are birds and butterflies. And then this is a fun one. It says save your drama for your llama, and I think it's really cute. And then this is I believe in unicorns. These would be great for kids home room decor canvas or something. And then these are like more autumn based and fall, pumpkins and all. And there is a snowman, and this is like a fairy. I will list down all the names down in the description box below, and I'll maybe put them on the screen as well somewhere, so you'll have a better idea. And this is like a beautiful basket of flowers. You can see great floral designs. I think they will be so good with the mixed media art journal and canvases. And then these are the new ones. These are 16.5 inches by 6 inches, and they will be great for those signs. You could use them for home decor, you could use them for parties, you can put them as make your welcome board with this, use them in your shops, pop-ups. So many ideas there. You can do so many things with these DIY rustic sign stencils. They're pretty big, and you can use them in so many different ways. And then these Christmas ones, of course, these would make for a great gift as well. If you could do them on canvases, they would be a pretty great gift. Coming back to the mediums, there are these heavy acrylic paints, and I have to tell you, I have tried them, and they are so creamy and so beautiful. I love all these beautiful colors, and these are just amazing. Can't get over them. So the next thing that I got is the mediums. Are gel medium, and then you have the shimmery goodness. It has kind of an poly shine to it. And then there is the silver gesso, there is black modeling paste, and then the clear modeling paste. Then you have the clear gesso, and this is the gel medium, and the modeling paste. I think this is the white modeling paste, and then you have the light and fluffy modeling paste, and it's actually very light. And then you have the gold gesso. Now come on, this actually I'm so excited about. There is a gold gesso in that box. And then this is the black gesso and white gesso. So those are all the big bottles of gesso. These are 2 oars, so they are pretty big. And then there are the little ones. So these are mostly modeling pastes in different colors and textures. So this is Grecian gold, there is champagne gold, there is antique gold, then there is copper penny, there is white pearl, there is platinum, sterling silver, and marcasite or marcasite. I don't know how to pronounce that, but marcasite silver paste. And then there are 2 other mediums, that is the hot foil gel. Now this is something I would be really excited to try. And then there is the tacky wen dry gel. So these mediums I'm really excited to try. They're new and I am just so glad to be on this lovely product team, and I can't wait to show you more inspiration using these products and just share my art with you. So I hope you'll join me in this journey, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.